Tom Cruise, the iconic American celebrity who continues to in the glittering world of Hollywood, few names shine as brightly as Tom Cruise. From his breakthrough roles in the 1980s to his enduring status as an action star and cultural icon, Tom Cruise's journey is a fascinating tale of talent, perseverance, and relentless determination. Tom Cruise ascent to superstardom was swift and remarkable. His intense dedication to his roles, often performing his own stunts quickly, because a defining trait, endearing him to audiences and earning him respect within the industry. The 1988 classic Rain Man, where Cruise starred alongside to the Dustin Hoffman, showcased his versatility as an actor, earning him his first Academy Award nomination.